Okay. In the in the same session, we have calculated the reading for the backside, intermediate side, as well as the foresight. So, how to put in a leveling table? Okay, so as to find out the level difference between the 2 points, or simply to find out the RL of the different points. Okay, so for this one, I'll make a table like this one. The first one is serial number, backside, intermediate side, foresight, then HI, and finally RL. Okay, I hope that this particular part is already taken in the your lecture sessions. Okay, so the first reading that we have taken on the benchmark. So the benchmark we have taken, if you see the video, the benchmark is, in this case we have taken 561.425 meter. Okay, this is the benchmark. On the benchmark we have taken the backside reading as a 0.895 meter. Okay. This is the backside reading taken on the benchmark. So that's why your HI becomes, if you add these two things, okay, if you remember the so let us say this one is your level. Okay, this is your benchmark 561.425. Okay, on this benchmark we have taken the backside reading. So this, in this case, the backside reading we have taken as a 0.895 meter. So that's why the height of the instrument becomes 561.32. Okay, so I am writing here the HI as a 561.32 meter, like this one. Okay, so I hope that you will get this point. Second point, intermediate point we have taken. Okay, that's why I am writing the second reading in the intermediate section, intermediate side part, that is 1.110. So to find out the RL of this particular point 2, so if you remember this side, okay, this is your side. Okay, this we have calculated as a 561.32. Okay, we have taken the intermediate side like this one. Two intermediate sides we have taken, and finally this is a foresight. And name here, this is a foresight, intermediate side 2, this is intermediate side 1. So to find out the RL of this particular point, let us say this is second point. To find out the RL of this particular point, you have to deduct this particular length. Let us say this particular length is 1.110. You have to deduct this. This is your level. Okay, so this is your level is having 561.32. From this particular level, you have to deduct this particular length 1.110. Okay, if you deduct this particular length 561.32 minus 1.110, you will get 561.21. So RL of this particular point 2 is 561.21. So you have to deduct this particular height 1.110 from this level so as to get the RL of this particular point 2. So what I will write here, five 61.21. Okay. So I hope that you will get this point. Okay, this is the second point. The third point, the third also we have taken one intermediate side, that is 0.645. Okay, so that's why its RL becomes 561 point, the height of the instrument is constant, 561.32 minus 0.645. Okay, so this is equal to 561.675. Okay, like this one. Okay, next, last point. It is the fourth point. Okay, the last reading on the from a particular level, that is called as a foresight. So we are writing the foresight reading as a 0.515 meter. Okay, so if you see the diagram, this is your level. Okay, this is your foresight. Sorry, this is your backside. This one is your first intermediate, second point here, likewise third point, and finally it is not a proportional diagram. Okay, so finally here the foresight that we have taken from a 0.515 meter. Okay, so this level you are knowing very well. So this level is 562.32. Okay, so 562.32. Okay, sorry, this is 562. Okay, okay, so 562.32 minus this particular height you are supposed to deduct. This is 0.515. So what you get, 561.805. This is the RL of 0.4. Okay, so here this is your fourth point, like this. Okay, so if you draw the table, your table becomes like this one. One, two, three, four, five, five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is your serial number. Okay, back side, intermediate side, then foresight. This is your HI. This is your RL. Okay, so So this is the first, second, third, fourth point. Okay. So only one backside rating, there is 0.895. Okay. Intermediate second sides we are taken to, this is 1.110, 0.645, and finally the four side is 0.515. Okay. The RL of the first point is 561.425. Okay. This is a temporary one. You can assume, sorry, in our department, this is a permanent, okay, taken from the railway station. So you can assume as a 500, 400 also, okay. But the level difference between the any 2 points is remains constant, okay. So the HI that we have calculated from the calculations is backside RL plus backside, okay, 562.32. So this is 562.32, okay. The RLs that we have calculated 561.21, okay. This is 561.21, 561.675, then 561.805. Okay. Finally, you have to take the check is equal to summation of backside minus summation of foresight, that is equal to last RL minus first RL. Okay. If you take the summation of backside minus summation of foresight, okay, this is equal to, sorry, 0.895 minus 0.515. Okay. So this is equal to 0.38. Like the same fashion, last RL is 561.805 minus 561.425. So this is equal. This is also equal to 0.38. Whatever the leveling operation that you have done, that is the correct one. Okay. I hope that you will get this point. If you are facing any difficulty, just put me a message in the group.